Guys, sometimes travel happens with lot of plannings and we'll be waiting for the date and we'll be all excited and we'll be going for a trip. Sometimes travel can happen with a sudden plan and one such plan made me reach Pondicherry yesterday. Welcome to Anjune Vlogs from Pondicherry! Yesterday evening we all were having snacks around 4 and suddenly we were like, okay, why can't we go for a trip? We took just 1 hour to get ready and we started our trip. Last time when we came to Pondi, we took the Tiruvannamalai road, but the road condition was extremely bad and we were coming by bike that time, so we were able to handle that. This time instead of taking that road, and because we came by car, we took another road. It is like after Vellore we have to take a right turn, and that was a pretty nice road, and it was full of like trees on either side of the road, and it was a beautiful journey. After that beautiful night drive, we reached Pondicherry around 12. I couldn't take much video yesterday because we all were tired. We are staying in Le Royal Park. Welcome to the interesting segment of our vlog, the room tour. A spacious bedroom and we have the pool view from here, guys. Hope you will like it. Now I believe washroom should be always clean and hygienic. So let's see the washroom. The location of this hotel is in a very good place and it is very near to the rock beach. We had our breakfast from hotel itself. It was a very good buffet spread. It's time for us to go out and see some of the beaches, and let's see which all places here are open for the tourist. All the beaches are open here and we reached the Serenity Beach. As the name says, this is a serene beach. And the most peculiarity of this beach is the line of rock which you can see on the seashore. After a lovely time here with my family, let's head for lunch. So we are in this cute hotel near Aurobindo Ashram Road, and we ordered for 4 economy lunch, 3 with fish and 1 with chicken. Also prawns pepper dry. Super. Prawns sweet. Chinju, how is chicken? Tasty lunch. Full tummy is full now. So let's go to the next place. So we just entered the boat. I think this is Appu's first boat ride. Chinju, isn't it? Appu's first boat ride. Okay. So let's enjoy the boat ride. We are super excited. Wow. Boat ride after a very long time. Appu got scared. Appu's first boat ride. We are all equally excited like Appu. Paradise Beach. Paradise Beach, as you can see with this white sand, it is a real paradise. And it takes just 15 minutes from the boat club. to our next destination. So guys, views from Pondicherry are not yet complete. Wait for my next episode which covers more surprises from Pondicherry. One request as always, please subscribe to my channel. Keep connected to Anjudev Vlogs.